Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel with a new video. So in this video I am going to show you how to create an Apple ID on your iPhone. So if you have already an iPhone ID, an Apple ID in your mobile phone, but you want to add another, so this video is for you. Go to your Siri or go to Chrome, any searching website, any searching engine or your mobile phone. After going that, you have to search on iCloud. After searching iCloud, here is iCloud option appears on your screen. Now you have to sign in and add another account. There's a lot of option by which you can now easily make your Apple ID again on your phone. So by using this method, you can easily contain two or more IDs as you as want on your phone. So here you can see sign in option. You have to click on that option. After click on sign in option, there's a new option appear on a page. They say if you want to sign into your iCloud or you want to create a new account. So we are going to create a new account because in this video I'm going to show you how to create a new account, Apple account. So don't forget to hit the bell icon, subscribe the channel and like the video and comment below if this video is informative for you, and don't forget to like the video, subscribe the channel. So now on a screen you can see here there is an option sign in with Apple account. If you have already Apple account, you can sign in, but if you want to make a new, you can easily make a new from here. After creating a new Apple account, there is a lot of option appear like first name, your location, your phone number and all the information related to you will required for creating a new Apple account. So now you have to put all the information, your date of birth, your country, your name, your last name, your first name, your ID card number and all the that you have to connect it your Apple account. So this is very easy steps. You have to fill these easy steps, and after easy stepping you can easily click on continue and your ID will be created and you can use any account. You have now two accounts in your phone and you can use any of them. So this is a very basic step by which you can easily create your Apple account. So hope so friend, this is very informative video for you. Don't forget to hit the bell icon and subscribe the channel.